A mixture of sun and clouds throughout this Monday afternoon, so we'll call it partly cloudy, 64 degrees, humidity at 72%, but those winds out of the southeast at 17 miles per hour, so there's definitely a good breeze out of the south, and that's going to keep the humidity more on the ickier side of things through the next 24 hours. But temperatures, though, holding steady in those low to mid 60s through the entire region. 62 in Ontonagon, 66 in Ironwood and Florence towards the east. Very little changes when it comes to that mercury. 63 in Manistee, 65 in Escanaba. So overall, just a seasonable, typical first week of October weather. Now for those winds, though, out of the south, really make sure to hold on to that cap or that hat as well. Those winds out of the southeast at 16 in Munising, 12 in Iron Mountain, 10 in Houghton, and we're going to continue to see this breeze all the way through tomorrow afternoon, where we can have gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So when it comes to that hair, it's really going to be swinging, that's for sure. Now for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, cold front begins to slide in. There is a chance for some thunderstorms throughout the afternoon, so make sure to be weather aware. Now, the good news, though, for the rest of the work week, Wednesday through Friday, relatively dry, and temperatures really just staying around 60 degrees, which is typical weather for the first days of October. Now, showers and thunderstorms already pushing their way through parts of the western tip of the UP, but most of the heavier activity well towards the south into parts of Des Moines and Minneapolis, and that's where this cold front is pretty much just hovering around, and it's going to push its way towards the east over the next 24 to 36 hours. So in the meantime, we're going to continue to have that southerly flow from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's really just going to add more humidity and a bit more instability for tomorrow. We'll have a better chance of some thunderstorms, but the best chances of rain throughout tonight and tomorrow will stay towards the west and eventually spill over towards the east by tomorrow night. So really make sure to have that umbrella with you. Some cooler air behind the disturbance into parts of South Dakota and Nebraska on Tuesday. We'll eventually get a taste of that cooler air on Wednesday, but it's not really going to be a big cool down. I mean, temperatures are just going to fall into those upper 50s more than anything, so not really a potent one when it comes to that cooler temperature, since temperatures haven't really gone up too much even throughout this past weekend. So most of the activity when it comes to those showers after this disturbance are going to stay well towards the south into Thursday and into Friday. Next shot of rain after tomorrow will occur on Saturday. So when it comes to the weekend, you may want to start planning ahead, but there is a chance for some showers on Saturday. Now for tonight, though, 61 degrees, so a very warm night, especially with those winds out of the south at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Clouds beginning to roll in, so we'll gradually go from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Best chance of rain towards the west for tomorrow. Just watch out for some of those thunderstorms. We're going to keep it isolated to maybe even scattered, so between 20 to 30%. Temperatures, though, into those low to mid 70s, 73 in Houghton, 74 in Iron Mountain. And then here's the next couple of days. That cold front, though, dropping temperatures down around 60 degrees, 63 on Wednesday, 59 on Friday, but that 40% chance of rain reemerges on Saturday.